coming over. I'm late, I guess.
No. I started over again. That last time the network was bad, so
Okay. You are just
started
starting.
over. Yeah. I'm just starting.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
So, like I said, what we're doing now is just a way to showcase our project. Like this group, we all know that this group is just for project. Like some people just be posting something on the group, which is not, it's not encouraging. So this group is usually for projects. If you have job offer that you know that this job anybody that apply is going to get it, you can post it on the group. Anything apart from data science project, data analysis project, business project, don't send anything on this group, please. Please don't send anything on the group. Anything that is not data, anything that is not data at all, don't send it on the group. So, and anybody that sends it, I'm going to remove that person. That is just it. I'm not looking for somebody that I'll be teaching. It's just for projects. So please let's bear that in mind. Just bear that in mind. It's just for project, like I said, just for projects. So I'll come back to what I'm doing. So these are template. Like this is a template that I want us to use for our project. Last class, which I was explaining the last time, I showed us some other. Check. I showed us some other sites where you can get the sample data. You remember that if you don't want to make use of this HTML5, you can, I mean, this massively, you can pick any of this, which I want to open for us. Like I said, I'm starting the class all over again. So I open this page for us that you can pick any of these any of these templates. This is the one we are currently want to use. This massively. This is what we want to currently use. So also have some samples again you can use. Like I said, if I finish teaching you, explaining to you on how to go about it, you can come and pick anyone you feel that okay, I can edit this one, I can work on it, I can use this one instead of using the same thing I'm using to teach you. If I finish explaining, you can come to this page. You can come to this page. It's html5up.net. html5up.net. So just click on this page and go through these samples. They're up to like 30. They're up to like 30 samples. You can pick one and use it. So as a data science person, data analysis person, business analysis person, even web developers, people that are into UI UX using Figma, you must have a portfolio to present for your project. Unless you want to go and work for a local company, you must have a portfolio. So in that portfolio that will give you the job that you're looking for. Through that portfolio, people can see what you've done since you're currently doing through that portfolio. So let's move on. So like I said, you can download any of this. So, join. So you can pick any of these templates on your own. You can pick any of these templates and use once I finish explaining it. Like me, I've already seen the one I'm going to use. I've seen the another template I'm going to use. I have like 5 accounts, which I'm not even I don't even know when I use it last. But there are projects inside. There are a lot of projects inside those accounts. So I'll still use another one here. There's one I saw here that is very good that I can also use to create my portfolio also. So for your own case, you just pick this one. Let's work on this massively. This massively is what we want to use. If you look at this massively, for each of these massively have what have page for different projects. Have page from different projects. So and I told us to download it. I should download this file. So many of us downloaded it that last time. But if you know you don't have it, you can download it and follow what I'm doing. So you can download it. Me, I've already downloaded mine. You can see this is my own file. So I've downloaded it. So I say after downloading it, after you finish downloading it, you should Somebody will be my admin, so that I can be accepting people. Um, so let's move on. My file now. So this is the file I downloaded massively. And I told us for us to make use of this massively, we need to unzip it. Need to unzip it, which I did. To unzip is very easy. If you right click, you can see extract all. So if you click on this extractor, you now paste it to the folder where you want it to be. So currently I put it on download. That's why you're seeing it here. If you look at it, it's still here because I want to extract it into the same file that I'm using, which is download. So after extracting it, this is the file. After the extraction, this is what I have inside. Who is raising hand? Please, you can just talk while I pause.
Don't worry, please continue.
Okay, okay. So, um,
Mr. Dan, good evening.
yeah, good evening, sir. Well done, sir.
Are we using VS Code for this?
Yes, yes, yes. So, after you finish downloading, these are what we have inside that massively. So, just like a website, a normal website, like let's say jam portal, name it any website, school portal, our school portal. This is what make up our website. So this is what we just pick, just extracted everything, all the informations on that website. We now want to make it our own. So this one we are using, this massively is safe, is free. It's free for everybody, anybody to use. It's free for anybody to use. So you manipulate it to your own text, to the way you want to use it. These are the informations inside that massively. These are the images inside. These are the images. Let me make it so these are the images you can see. And if you look at that picture, you will see that the images are also they are also there. So by the time we start editing, you see those images, these images that we're going to be editing. So let's move back again. So after I finish extraction, and I told us to create a folder and move everything that we have here inside that folder. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just rename this one directly. You can just rename this. But I created a folder, which is this. I created this folder, journey. This is the folder I created. So this is the folder I want to be using for my project. So I'll right click. If you have installed your Visual Studio Code, you can right click and open with Visual Studio Code, which I was explaining to some of us that last time. You can right click and open with Visual Studio Code. Let's see if we have open with open a new tab. Properties. Let's see. Let's just open this so that I don't have to waste much time. VS Code. So this might be a Visual Studio Code. So just open your Visual Studio Code. So any questions so far? Before I move on. Do you miss any step? Everything I'm explaining, do you miss any one? So let me quickly recap before I move on to the next.
Hello, Mr. Dan.
Yeah, did you miss any step?
Hello.
I can hear you. I can hear
Okay.
you.
The step I miss is the when you say probably you can rename that file. We will not put it inside the file you asked us to create it before. That you can
Please.
rename it. That's one thing. Yeah.
Okay. I get what you're saying. So I'm talking about this, the one you unzip, the file you unzip, this one that you unzip. I'm saying that you can rename it or you create a folder, then copy it and paste inside that folder. Is that clear?
Okay, it's clear now.
So just copy it, move everything you have inside,
Okay.
then put inside the folder you want to create. If you don't want to use that one on download, it's still the same thing. The one on download and the one you add, you create, the folder you create is the same thing. It's the
Okay.
same thing.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
let's move on. So this is my Visual Studio Code. So this is it. If you are opening it, this is how it look. So I said don't use a new file, just use folder, open folder, click on open folder. Then you locate the folder that you created on the desktop. So the folder I created on the desktop is this folder. Then select folder. You can see that. Select folder. I need to close some of my files. There we go. And there. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So sorry, I just have to close.
I want to download this VS Code again.
Okay, I just have to close some of my apps. System does not and really Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is the file I say should open. This is a folder, and I told us to download one plugin, Live Viewer. Told us to download it the last time, so you'll be able to see your progress. So this is the HTML file. This is the index. This is what we are using. This is what we're manipulating. This is the index file we are manipulating. This is the index file we are manipulating. Are we there? So you can see the preview. This is how our website look like. This is the look of our website, our project site. So this is what we want to work on. This is what we want to work on. So I can only do maybe one. I can only do one editing because. So let's start. Can I go on?
Absolutely.
No,
Please,
Proceed.
no.
please,
Mr.
Mr.
Dan,
Dan.
Yeah.
Mr. Dan,
Yes.
wait more. I'm trying to download this thing again.
Now, calm down now. I'm lost.
Where I have not done anything now. Just to download.
Preview to download.
Um, after downloading, you use your what? You open with your Visual Studio Code. That's all. I've not started anything. This what you're seeing is just the code for the website. the project side. These are just the code that we need to manipulate. These are the code we need to manipulate. So after that, you can now host it. If you want to host it, which we are going to do. We are going to host it so that you can share to people. People can log in and visit your project site and see some of the projects you've done. How many of us are still not yet download? How many of us not download? Let me know so I know how many people I'm waiting for.
I have not downloaded though.
Who
The
else?
thing, the funny
One.
thing is, I have the file before, but since that is corrupted, I'm trying to
That's
show the people.
that's one. Another person. Another person. If you're on the same page with me, let me see your hand. Just raise your hand. Let me know if we are on the same page with me. One. One person. Four. Why are they reducing the hand again? How many people they on the same page with me? On the same page with me. Two. Three people on the same page. Where are the rest?
I'm still downloading.
Four. Four people now. So that means I'm fast or what? Is it that I'm fast or you're not following? It must be
No,
one.
I'm still
Either
following the plan.
either I'm fast or it's our own fault.
Mr. Alan, I don't think it's your fault, too, because I don't know. Maybe people are not really joining the class like in the previous class. I don't even understand because this thing is not even this week. It's not this week that you started about it. This week
They're supposed to have
you
downloaded this.
started talking
Like,
about it and you
supposed to
told
have
us to
downloaded
download it. So
let
yes,
us give
so
them let us give them a few minutes. So let us give them a few minutes.
yes,
Let us
yes,
give
yes,
everybody a few minutes. So
yes.
go on.
Mm.
So then we can go on now.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. Who else? Who else?
Mr. Dan, how is your massively? How did you open massively with Visual Studio? How did you get here, Mr. Dan?
Last class we installed what is it called? We installed an extension. You remember?
Yes, I remember. We
Uh,
downloaded that.
we downloaded two extensions.
Yes,
Two, one preview and one live server. Remember?
yes.
So I'm using preview, which is this one. So I also have a live server. This is my live server.
Where will I get this?
Look at
How
my
will-
cursor. Look at my cursor here.
Okay,
Under extension.
okay, okay.
That's where you now search for the extension you want. So
What will
it's
be the
under
extension I want? Preview.
preview. Yeah, just type preview. Or you type live server is okay too. This live server. If I open live server, this is it. If I click on live server, it will open a new tab for me.
But there's
coming.
no preview. I'm not seeing preview in my own. No.
I'm coming. I mean, you can see my live server. This is live server. Live server. Live server is opening now. Any change you want to change, and you want to check, if that changes are reflected. So you can just right click. You can see this is not the site again. No, this is the one we downloaded. So any changes you make, you just have to go and click live server. Just click on live server. If you click on open with live server will now show you whether the changes have reflected. You understand? So with the live server, you'll be checking if the changes you're making is really reflecting. Understand? Who is raising hand? Any question, Mr. John?
No. Continue, please.
Okay. So
Mr. Dan,
let's
which one is
ask. I'm with you. I've not done anything.
which one
Ask.
is live server? Well, I'm
Let
seeing
me
in
let me
I'm
show you
seeing other
now.
extensions. I'm seeing installed Python, Finance, Python debugger.
You search for live server under the extension. Python is also
Okay.
an extension in Visual Studio Code.
Okay, I'll
So
search for
search
live
for
server.
live server. Search for the other one that you also called.
So just type live server there to come out. So I've already installed mine. So you just search your own. Come out. So let's go on. Let's start by
Install the live server, and I'll install it. Will I install it?
Yes.
yeah. Install
Okay.
it.
It's not the live server I will install.
It's not the live server you need. Just use live server. Use live server. So I don't have to be stressing myself. Install the live server. If you want after making changes, you want to check if your changes is reflecting. Just right click and open with live server.
Right
So
click on what?
right click on the code on this page. Look at my cursor. Just right click. It will show you all this. So you now open with live server. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Sir. So let's start by editing this stuff. So let me take this one out. This is the code of this site. This is the code of this project. This is the code. This is the code we want to manipulate. So anywhere you want to add your own content, that's why I'm showing this preview. So anything I want to change, you'll be seeing the reflection of what I want to change. Are you following? So whatever I want to change, you will see that, oh, this is what I remove from this place. This is what I remove from this place. So let's work on this title. This is massively. Here you have a free, fully responsive. Hello. I'm back. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Dan. Welcome.
Yeah, sorry. It's not my network. So let's move on. For the explanation, any question?
Don't do this thing again.
Hello. I'm back. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Dan. Welcome.
Yeah, sorry. It's not my network. So let's move on. For the explanation, any question? What I'm trying to explain to you. Any question?
No,
Mr. Dan,
please
I'm not
proceed.
where you are. Oh. I'm not where you are. But
I'm trying to explain this code. Just come to this part. Where are you?
I
my
believe you should be on Elemental, right?
what does elemental mean? Mr. Ban, my Visual
Elemental.
Studio Code does not look like your own. I'm not.
It does not look like my own.
Yeah.
Okay, when I finish now, see, I will spend time with you, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I'll spend. Just be watching
Okay.
first.
Okay.
I'll spend time. You show me. So look at this now. I'm trying to explain each section here. Each section. Trying to explain each section so you get familiar with it.
Okay.
So like I said, we have the first one. There is the I dot type. That one declare that these things we are doing is HTML5. So HTML is just a happy text markup language. It's just for code, all this basic coding. So without HTML, all these websites will not stand. So it's the HTML they rely on. HTML is just like a foundation of a building. You understand? So you build building after putting your blocks. Later on, you cannot be painting it. You understand?
Yeah.
You can be painting it. That HTML is the foundation of all the programming language. So after the hideout, you have HTML, you have head. This head is like the title. If you look at this place I open,
Okay,
if
massively
you
by.
yes,
Okay.
you can see massively by HTML5. That is the title. You can change it if you want to change your title. After I'm just explaining, so be jotting down what you're going to change. Now I'm explaining. I'm not working on it. So be jotting down what you're going to change. So you can change this title. This title can be changed and give your own title to it. If you do not change it, if you host it, it will still be showing massively by HTML5 up, which you will not like. For you to be showing this thing again, you will not like that, right? You want it to show what you want, so you can edit this line, this section. That is section line 9. Take note that line 9, you edit it and put whatever you want to put, because I will not be giving you the write up you'll be putting. I'll just be showing you sample. So
Okay.
you edit that line. Next, this line here you have here, link. This link that you have here is a link linking up to CSS. The CSS is just to decorate it, add color, all those text color, how to put colors. That's the work of CSS to make the website look good. So, and there is another page open for this link, this CSS. There's another page open for you, which I'm not going too deep on it because I'm not teaching you web language. If I'm teaching you that web language, I will spend time with you and explain it in details. So, but this line is what they use to link up the HTML and the CSS together.
Mr. Dan, you start summarize it for us. Thank you.
That's what I'm trying to do. So this this one is what they use and design the website. All this color you're seeing on the website, it was the work of CSS. Okay. So after everything, they now close the head. So everything here is inside head. The only thing you're changing here is just the what? The title. The title. The only thing you're changing inside the head, take note to, is just the title you're changing inside the head. Don't change any other thing apart from the title. So this here you don't need to do anything because it's already comment. It's comment. There is comment here, so you don't need to do anything on this. You don't need to do anything here. You can decide to delete it. It's comment. You know comment now, right? You know how to add comment to program, so you don't need to do anything here. So next we have the body. Are we there?
Yes.
So we have the body. So this body is just where everything, all these things you're seeing here is inside body. Can you see my cursor? Me scrolling down. Everything you're seeing here is inside body. From this is massive. The project you are going to be putting, everything will be inside the body.
Okay.
So on this body part, what are we going to do on this body part? So this is where the work starts. So all this stuff like you put here, let me show you how it works. So if you look at this line 22, it's showing this is
This is
massively. So I can decide to change it to, I will say that is my profile, Johnny's data science profile. I can decide to do that. Or I can say welcome to Johnny's data science project. So I can decide to put anything inside that, what did I call it? Inside this massively. That is this age one now that is under it means that the font size that you want to use. We have age 1 to age 6. Okay. So if you're using age 1, as you're using the bigger, the age 1 is the bigger one. The smaller one, age 2, age 3, as that to age 6. So age 6 is smallest. So if you use age 1, that's why this test is bold. That's why it's bold
okay.
because you use age 1. So let me just um, so let me just put a test so that you understand what I mean. Let me just do a test. Let me just type something. So do you see that it's editing? Do you see?
Okay. Yeah.
Hope you can see it.
Yes, you can.
Hmm. So
It's actually what I was still I didn't see it properly. So this one was camouflaging at the bottom.
Okay, let's say welcome to my. So you can see what I'm editing. It shows everything I'm doing. Data science portfolio. Can you see that?
Yes.
So this is welcome to
My data
my
science
science
portfolio.
portfolio. Yeah. So
Portfolio.
let me take back a little bit space. Good. So you can see the way I edit this text. So you're going to edit. You're going to edit it the way you want. Understand? You're going to edit it the way you want, what you want, the kind of what you want to put there. So you edit it. So after that, after editing that line, you move down to P, which is paragraph. Paragraph. So what is under paragraph? The paragraph can be just a little description. Hmm? Are we there?
Yes, yes, we are.
So the
Paragraph
paragraph
to
can
free
just
fully
be,
responsive HTML is there. Yes,
yes,
yes.
you can delete it. If you don't want anything if you don't want anything there, you can delete it.
Okay.
And also you can link it up to your what is it called? Your LinkedIn account. You can
Okay.
link it up to your LinkedIn account.
Oh.
So you can see this. Let me just put something. I put something there.
Mr. Dan, that https twitter.com. Is that where we'll put our LinkedIn account?
Yes, yes. You remove that Twitter and put your LinkedIn. I will
Twitter.com.
do. I'll do that now. I'll do that here.
Okay.
I'll show you. So I'll just type something there. Just hold on. Um,
Yes, I can't hear anything. No.
I'm typing now. Are you seeing me typing? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can now.
Mm-hmm. So I'm trying to type something so you can see. Into actionable insights. into actionable insights. So here, this place now, I can decide to remove. Don't forget that you can decide to remove it. You get. You can decide to remove that link. It's your choice. It's what you want to do. You get. You don't have to leave the. You can decide to remove that link and type everything you want to type, and then put the link below. So let's say I want to remove this one now. I don't need this one. I don't need this link here. Yes, I don't need it. Don't be afraid to remove it. Take it out. So until I finish typing, where is this joining by this time? Come back. Okay. MySQL, Power BI, SQL, 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 and Python. So it is depending on how many of them you've mastered. You get. So you can decide to show everybody what you're doing with them. With your come back. Okay. MySQL, Power BI, SQL, 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 and Python. So it is depending on how many of them you've mastered. You get. So you can decide to show everybody what you're doing with them, with your skills. Show us what you're doing with your skills. Showing how data can be informed. Then business shorts. So taking this one out. So this place I have a creative common license. I'm going to put something else there. So what do you think I should put there? So yeah, I don't need anything here. I don't need anything here. I don't need anything here.
Oh,
What I need here is okay. Can you see the write-up I used there? Exploring my approach to data analysis. So you can use any AI to generate something that you think you like, and you edit those things. So you edit those write-up. Then this is this link now. I can add my LinkedIn account there. Let me just show you how to add it. Where I have that license. Okay, this is the license here.
Okay.
So I'll go to my LinkedIn profile. Let's see. Okay. Look at this stuff. Look at this stuff that display now. So people should go and do it. So from 10 from 4 to 10, free access on data camp.
Oh, nice one.
So for those that see it, can go and pick their course for zero, no fee,
For only
free.
1 week.
Which one? We just pick the ones that you can take the certificate immediately.
Okay.
Go through their courses and pick the one you can easily. Don't pick the one that you use 3 months to do.
Okay. Okay.
So this is this is my link. So you see your own link. This is my own link. This is my profile link. So
Yeah.
this is what I want to use. So I'll move on to here. So my YouTube account. Then I can paste it there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, I can say click for more info. So you get that. So this A is anchor tag. We call it anchor tag. This A is anchor tag. So use it to link up to add links to your page. So this one now. Why P is for paragraph. P is paragraph. So take note. The P is paragraph. If you want to add any paragraph, you use P. If you now want to break, you use BR. BR is break. Maybe you're typing something and the thing is too long. You want to break it. You use BR to break it. Is that clear? Can see this one now. Do you see this welcome to my break? Is break. Do you see that there is break there? It's break tag. That is break tag. Yeah. That is break tag. So take note. If you're typing
Okay,
something I
that's
want
why
to
I
break,
going to
yes.
okay.
So I want to do something, so you can use that. Add break tag to it. So let's view what I'm doing first. Let's view it. Let's use live server. For those that are using live server, I'm using a preview. This preview. So let me use live server to view it. For those that are using live server. So let me use live server to view it. Do you see it? So this is what we have been doing so far. Do you see it?
Yes.
So for more info,
For more info.
yeah, I'll still delete this one. This and release for free. Do you see it? Takes me direct to my LinkedIn account. So that is how to add. Go to any social media account that you think that you feel that you want to add. This is how you add it. So it shows them your information. So let's go back again. This is the code. So we'll do it. Let me do one more thing. So you can see that you have a lot of work to do on your own.
Yeah.
A lot of work. So all those things you've done so far, those your projects you've done for so far. Make sure you upload everything to your GitHub account. So what we just need from that is your link, is the link of that GitHub link you need to use here. Finish. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Is the links you need to use. So if you have 5 projects already, so make sure you upload those 5 projects in your GitHub account. Take this one out.
Can we upload Power BI
Yes,
projects?
yes. Now Power BI, Excel, any projects. Power BI,
Mr. Dan,
Excel.
please, is the class being recorded?
By the grace of God.
Amen. Oh, I'm far behind.
So we are done with section 1, the section 1 part. So you go and work on your own section 1 part. So here we have also have massively. So this massively, I'm going to change it to portfolio, or I'll use my name. I'll use my name there. I'll use my name there instead of it to show massively. Let me look for it. From your own side, who can show me where this massively is from your own end?
Scroll up first. Let's see from the preview. Let's see
From
from
the
the
Massive.
beginning.
beginning.
No, it can't be up now.
This is the
No,
beginning.
I
I
said you
don't,
should scroll up so I should know.
I can't scroll again. Let's down.
Okay.
I was so
If you scroll up, we won't see where massively is now.
so somebody should find it though.
Okay, okay.
I'm waiting though.
I think you have changed it to Johnny.
I've not changed it though. I'm not changed it though. Nobody.
You are looking for it now.
I'm checking for it.
You're looking for it now.
Okay, I think massively is in line 35. Am I
Like
right?
35. I'm saying massively there. Okay, let's see now.
That's
Maybe
line
let's
47 and line 54.
Hey,
let's see. Let's see if it's true. Say line 35. I see.
Line
Let's
54.
let's see. You also you're like 54. Hold on. Let's see our own face. You say like 35. I'm seeing massively there too. So let me check our own first. Back. Live server. Let's see. So she got it. You can see
Yay!
it. So she got it. So take note of that one now. This one that you just changed. Take note of it. So you
Mr.
can
Dan,
see
can you
it.
go back?
Yeah, I can go back. That is the line
Where did you
35. So line 35. Line 35. This is it here.
I think
Maybe
it's
your own may
different
not be
from maybe
your own may not be like 35. Your own may not be like 35. So look
yeah.
for let me increase it so that
Yes,
you can
yes.
see it. Let me increase, you can see it.
Okay, better.
This is
Look
how the
at
thing should be said.
if you be like me,
Everything
I
is
will not
not
be
really
able to I will not be able to see I will not be able to, I will not be able to see those things that I'm doing now. Okay, let me
okay.
Mr. Dan, no, I want to ask.
this one.
Mr. Dan, I have
This
something
one.
like this. I have something like this from last year.
Okay. Okay.
I've done small, sharp, but I didn't finish it. Where how can I find it? But I don't have an idea of what it looks like.
Did you host it?
What does host mean?
Nah,
I
let me-
don't think I did. Though. Whatever host mean, I don't think I did.
If you host it, it will be okay. But if you not host it,
But
um,
how can I find this thing I did before? Because I know I started, then we had to put our own this thing the code, and I didn't finish.
okay, I'm coming. I'll call this guy back. Franklin, I'll call you back.
You have to check your
Just look when you see the folder. Sure, you come on Monday. When you see the folder, let me know.
Okay, okay.
This voice sounds familiar.
Yes, now I know you now. I don't remember your name, Sha, but I know you. You used to disturb Mr. Dan very well in class.
Everybody know
Madam,
you.
you won't learn everything.
Everybody know you.
I know you. Oh, just remind me. Wale, is it not Wale?
Eh, nah, I want it now.
Oh, yeah, now Wale. Wale when they disturb Mr. Dan well. Now Wale.
So let's go on. Let's go
That's
on.
that's real. Yeah.
So this is the navigation side. This is navigation side. So on this navigation side, what do we have on the navigation side? Who can show us the navigation? What they mean by navigation based on the site? What do you think they are saying when they talk about navigation? Nobody?
Is it not?
Lost. I didn't even pay attention.
Ah, okay.
It's not all those
Please, anywhere I stop, just take note to continue from there.
okay
We will not finish it. It's much. So, but you go and do up to where I stop.
before
That
the
is your
next
own.
class.
For the next class. So I don't want us to rush hosting it. I want us to do like have like 5 projects on our GitHub account. So those 5 projects is the link of that 5 projects we'll be using here.
Okay.
So if you know you don't have projects, better be loading projects on your GitHub account. For those that have projects, after everything, after we finish everything, we'll now host it. So you can now share the link to whoever you want to share it with.
Mr. Dan,
Yes.
please, these videos, when are you posting it? When are you
It's,
posting
it's getting longer now. This is almost 1 hour, so I'll post it. I'll reduce the size so you can post it. Yeah.
it? All right.
So the navigation part, like I was explaining, we also have this is massively. You can see it there. Do you see it there? Do you see my screen? Do you
Okay,
see
yeah,
the
this is massively yes.
so we need to change it to what we want inside. So if you click on this is massively, let me open and show you again. If I click on here, if I click on this is massively, hmm? If I click on this is massively, it will show me this. You see it? Let's
How
click
do
on
you
another one. Element reference. This element
element
reference.
reference?
So
Okay.
it's you now that will determine what you want to put there. You know, I was telling you H1 to H6. Look at they put it as example here. Do you see it? H2,
Okay, heading
H3,
level.
heading
Okay.
level, heading level, heading level, heading level. H6 is the smallest one.
Yes, yeah.
So now you decide what you want to put as your what.
Mr. Adam,
So yes, I can hear you, sir. So
so that it's okay. Go on.
that nav that is showing this is massively. I will just put Johnny's portfolio.
Okay.
So I'm just using it for example. You can use
Okay.
anyone you want to use. So please let me reply this. Let me reply this message. Okay, where am I? 41. Abi?
Yes, line 41.
So do you see that?
Okay, that's changed.
Mhm. So the other one is it
Generic page.
generic. This generic page I will use about. I'll use about. Yes. I'll use about.
Okay.
Why? Yeah.
Element preferences. Generic.
Um, I'll use what should I put there now? CV or resume. Can put your resume there.
Or contact.
Contact is okay. About us can also get contact them.
Okay.
But let's use contact. Contact is good. Sure. Contact is good. So if you click now, do you see that?
Okay.
Oh yeah. Do it up to that part. I will stop here. Save. I stopped at
I'm
line 43.
43.
If you have any issue with this, you go through the video
Okay.
before the next class.
For the next class. Okay. Okay.
Mm. So we have a lot to do. If you look at it, we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. So this is what we've done so far. Let me refresh. This is what we've done so far. Joining, see that
Portfolio. Okay.
about. So I will still work on this about. Then
Oh, the element reference didn't change.
hold on. No, it changed. I've not refreshed. Let me refresh and check. Everything changed. Let's save it. This is massively. There's still this see it's 2 page, so there's still another page inside. We still
That
need to work on
has
that one.
okay. Okay.
You can see here everything changed here.
Change. Yeah.
Yeah, so that about have another page. This
Yes.
about if you click
And
on this about, it has another page inside.
okay.
So
Right.
we'll continue. Please take somebody should take notes for us so we know where we stop. We don't have to be
Yeah. For
delaying our class. So we'll continue from here next class.
okay. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
so take care.
Thank you, Mr. Dan.
Mr.
Yes,
Dan.
ma'am.
Mr.
Yes,
Dan.
ma'am. Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
is it something save? How will you save it? Okay,
Control X.
normal save.
Yeah, Control X.
Mr. Dan,
Yes, sir.
so I hope the first video we did on this
This is 1 hour already.